it has been extremely fine show this year. I have been here a couple of times, and now this is the first one after the Corona. So.
You see, the world is moving towards the fourth industrial revolution. What Cadmatic is supporting the customers in digital transformation is more on digitizing as well as on integration part. So in digitizing, what we try to do is we have this standard database platform where an owner operator or an EPC company would be able to create their own intelligent engineering from feed up to the handover.
The Cadmatic distributed design system is reliable and easy to operate and allows the users to focus on design work instead of laborious administration tasks.
The second phase of the engineering, we try to connect with the Primavera or Microsoft projects.
eShare is the only tool that can combine and visualize all data produced during engineering, procurement, and construction.
This digital pool is now being visualized for different disciplines within the owner operator. For example, a maintenance manager would be interested to understand more on the maintenance aspect from this digital pool, and the operation guys would be interested to understand more on the operational aspects. So we at Cadmatic are having these two platforms that are the pillars of digital transformation that we support towards that end.